Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF, US dollar, Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours time frame of US dollar Swiss franc. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. And as we all know, after the NFP report, there was not much, but there was some selling pressure on the US dollar, and as a result we also saw some selling pressure in the US dollar Swiss franc as well. But we were hoping that after the NFP report we will get some good move in the market, but rather the market was very confusing because the result was not a very pleasing one. One result was very good, that the jobs have increased from 7,25,000 to 8,50,000, but on the other hand the unemployment rate has increased from 5.8 to 5.6, and the forecast was that the unemployment rate will come down from 5.8 to 5.6. It has rose to 5.9. As a result, there was some mixed emotion in the market, and market became very confusing yesterday. Okay, and I have already mentioned in my other videos as well that the US dollar still looks very bullish. Okay. If you look at the chart of US dollar, then the 1 day chart, then you can still see that though there was some selling pressure yesterday after the NFP report, but still the chart looks bullish. And if we look at the chart of US dollar, then we can hope that if there is some selling pressure in the coming week also, then we can hope that 91.5 will act as a support for US dollar, and after a pullback it should be going up again, considering the overall structure of US dollar right now. And on the downside, sorry, on the upside, we have 93.35 as the resistance for the market. So 93.35 is still acting as a resistance for the market. And if we look at this chart right now, then we can easily see that this chart is bullish. On the other hand, if I switch to the 4 hours time frame, then you can see that this chart looks very much similar to the chart of US dollar Swiss franc, is not it? Yes, they look very much similar. So let's switch to the main chart and let's discuss what should be a strategy. Okay. So before jumping to the main strategy, I would like to take you to the weekly chart once, because if you have watched my previous videos, then you know pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, because I prefer to see what the big boys are doing, what the big players are thinking. And the weekly chart is telling that you can see that market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern, and right now market is just standing at the support level, which is a very good thing, which means that this support level from the weekly chart is a valid one. Okay, and sorry, valid one, and market is respecting this level. Okay, therefore we have a support level from the weekly chart. But looking at the selling pressure this week, okay, do you still think that market will be able to retain the support level? I think so. Market will be able to retain the support level, because see the sun, because the selling pressure came only because market became volatile yesterday. Okay, overall the structure of US dollar Swiss franc is still bullish, just like the chart of dollar. Okay, therefore I'm very much hopeful. I'm very much positive on the chart of US dollar Swiss franc, and let me show you why. So right now you can clearly see that when market was falling yesterday, it took support at this trend line. Yes, market did not fall sharply. Market did not fall heavily. Rather, it respected the trend line, and we can clearly see that if you zoom in your charting platform, then you can clearly see that when market came down to the support level or this trend line, there was some price rejection from below, which means that though there was selling pressure present in the market, but still market respected the trend line as a dynamic support. Therefore, this trend line is still a valid support for the US dollar Swiss franc. Fine. Am I clear right now? Yeah. So I'm very much hopeful that on Monday, if things are good, if things remain normal, then market should bounce from this particular level. And if we look at the position of stochastic RSI also, then we can clearly see that stochastic RSI is also in the oversold zone. So therefore, considering these two factors, okay, there is a good possibility that market will be going up from here. On the other hand, if market crosses also this trend line, then there is a possibility that market will take support at this level, okay, 0.9180, because we have seen that this level belongs to the weekly chart. Therefore, there is a possibility that if market crosses this trend line, then again market will get support and market may bounce again. And once market will cross the trend line again, we can easily grab US dollar Swiss franc or click on the buy button. Therefore, wait for the market opening on Monday and just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that price is taking support at the trend line, if you see some candlestick patterns like hammer or price rejection from below or a green candle like this was too big. Anyways, if you see some good buying pressure, or if you get the confirmation that yes, market is respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can go for buy order. And in case market crosses the level also, crosses the trend line also, as I've clearly mentioned, do not short the market because we have got another support here. Therefore, this is the strategy that you should be following for US dollar Swiss franc. And before ending the video, I would like to take you to my website once. Okay. avilashjarka.com, and under the Forex 101 section you will find the Forex sentiment meter. Under the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 66% retail traders have taken short position and only 33% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. 90% retail traders lose money because they do not follow proper risk management, they do not follow the trend of the market. And I have clearly shown you this is not the ideal place, this is not the right place in the US dollar Swiss franc chart to short the market. So if you short the market right now, that will be a bad decision. Therefore, do not short the market, otherwise you will be falling in this category. You will be falling in this category, and there is a good possibility that you will be losing money because 90% traders lose money. We know it pretty well. And I have also added one more thing here, apart from the Forex heat map. Forex volatility calculator. This thing is a great thing, magic thing. Okay, so this thing will tell you what is the volatility going on in a particular currency pair. So under the US dollar Swiss franc, you can see that on 1 minute it was moving by 0.8 pips, on 5 minutes 3 pips, 15 minutes 3 pips again. Okay, under 30 minutes it was moving by 4.2 pips, on 1 hour it was moving by 6.5, on 4 hours chart it was moving by 36.9 pips, and on daily chart it was moving by 35.8 pips. So this volatility will calculator will tell you how much profit you should be expecting or how much movement you should be expecting. If on Monday, if you see that market is dull, market is plain, market is flat, okay, if the volatility meter tells you that, let's assume that odd JPY, okay, so you can see that in the 4 hours chart it was only moving by 19 pips only. So in that case, you should not be trading on a pair like this, because if there is no movement in the market, you cannot make money from the market. Okay, so before clicking on the buy button or sell button, you should always consider this Forex volatility meter to check the potential of the currency pair you are trading. Okay, so this is the strategy, a simple strategy that you must follow for US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, hopefully you've understood. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again.